Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. We're going to take a look at the finished rock crawler track, mainly for my Axial SCX30s, but I do use the 24s as well. Let's take a look and then let's check out some of my SCX30s and what I've done with them. All right, let's go. All right guys, here it is. Taking up a little bit of my basement, and we got the big left hill with the bridge. There's my local RC store, Anderson RC. Again, guys, remember to support your local hobby store. Again, I do have a switch right here, so watch this, guys. I built this from scratch, so it's a nice neon sign that lights up. Pretty cool, with a switch on off. And then we go over here. I got my crazy tree, got this online. This is for a fish aquarium, but I think it looks pretty cool. I incorporated it into the hill. What I used on this, guys, is a lot of foam, spray foam, regular foam, and the top base is concrete. Yes, concrete. So, and then I used a lot of spray, a lot of paint and, you know, different hobby grass to make it look cool. Got sand here. I got the two tunnels connecting. And then if we go over here, we got the one, my sign fell off. I'll have to add that again. And then the other one, the other tunnel goes right there. I got real rocks. And then I do have the fake mud pit. I actually have two fake mud pits. I got one there. And then if you go up here, I got one that goes along the ledge, and then you can go up and over. So let's now take a look at my SCX30s and show you what I've done to them. All right, guys, now let's take a look at my three SCX30s. We'll start with the original, which is the Bronco. The Bronco, I got the Anderson RC sticker. I took the rear wheel off, highly recommended, just for the fact that it is definitely top heavy. I love these bodies, so I'm not going to get rid of them. For this body though, this truck, the other modification I did have, and I'll show you guys, is for a body swap. I got this on Etsy. This is a Tacoma body that fits perfect. The lights don't work with this, like it won't show through, but snaps right in, and check that out, guys. That looks pretty cool, huh? All right, we're gonna take up the hood of this car, and look at what we got. We got the Furitek system in it. And I actually used the whole Furitek system, so I got the radio. Look at how tiny this thing is. Fits perfect. The motor is just absolutely tiny. Works so well. I got the micro receiver from Furitek in it. The wheels, if you notice, these are the wheels that will be going on the brand new K10. I have one on order, haven't gotten it yet, but these are awesome tires. Look at how fat they are. Modifications to this. Got the Muse front and rear drive shafts. I've got the overdrives coming. I also have the Injora 22.5 millimeter shocks. The Injora high clearance. I still have the drive shafts I need to add in there. I also have the Injora servo and Injora steering. I do have the what is it? Hot Racing front and rear, or rear brass. The front, the Muse system came with, so I use that because it's the same weight roughly. So going to the next one. This is my awesome, love this one, love the color. You can see I modified it again with the Anderson RC, and I got my logo right there. Check it out. And we'll take this off. There's a lot of brass under the hood on this truck. Now this truck, guys, this truck has the brass all around. So I got the Muse front and rear, and then you got the Injora. These are actually the 26 millimeter shocks, so a little higher stance. But you got the hot racing combo with the brass and the brass there. These are the Injora tires and wheels. I forget the name of these guys, I'm sorry, but tires and wheels. I do have the Injora lug nuts, but I highly recommend not getting them. They fall off all the time. There's no Loctite or anything, so it's kind of annoying. But if you see here, I did a little different. So I got the Injora transmission case, the Injora Mini Viper green, the micro receiver, and I'm using the Muse system. So look, it's the same size as, pretty much the same thing, it's probably a knockoff of the Furitek as the Muse. But you can see I like the Furitek system a lot better. Reason for that, guys, look at how small it is compared to the Viper. Still nice, and I like how the receiver goes on, the ESC goes on the side versus this won't fit very well. So yeah, cool. Also, little changes you can see. Just, oh, I do have the Mofo pocket snake frame. Love it. It's awesome. And the drive shaft. So this thing's pretty much 100% aftermarket parts, except for the front and rear and the battery. So yeah, tell me in your in the comment section what you guys think of these two trucks. I think they came out cool. Still tweaking them to get them better. Again, using for this truck the Muse system, very cheap system. Highly recommend. Can hold up to 8 different trucks, so highly recommended. And then this guy is a little lighter, still working on it. This is my son's truck, so not as many mods. I still have just what came with it. It does have the Injora wheels and tires, the different pin ones. Also, I do have the smaller set of the aftermarket Axial shocks, or Proline shocks rather, but then I have the Injora system here. It's still just things just a little bit light, if you will, but still working on this for my son. But everything came out. So again, guys, let me know in the description what you guys think of the track and my custom builds. More to come, but again, if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next one, thanks for watching.